hello right now. Somebody is just right there watching SpongeBob. And look at you, look at that. I have a safe right here and I'm about to lock something that I don't know what to lock. Sad. I think I'm gonna lock the tissue. The tissue inside the safe. There you go. I'm gonna lock the tissue in there. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Error. What? Huh? Do you mean error? I'm your boss. Say. Error. It's not fair. Why do I just have an error in this place? Is this place broken? This place isn't even that cold. I choose my bed. It isn't this one. It's this one with the cow on it. So cute. This one is so cute. I love it. Ow. I'm gonna bring him swimming. Not like I'm not gonna put him in the water. He's just gonna watch me because he doesn't like wet. Hello. Okay. And this is the outside. We already showed you. It's so bright. It gives me tears. And what is that? SpongeBob SquarePants. Deleted. Not deleted. We just got in here and this is like the same hotel room. Sorry guys, I made you like that. Okay, I'm gonna hide from my cousin that owns this YouTube. So I'm gonna hide right behind this chair. He's right there. He's right there. She's right there. I think she spotted us. Shh. She spotted us. I guess she spotted us. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm scared. She spotted her. She's talking with somebody. There he is. There she is. Okay. Shh. Be quiet. So. I don't see anybody now, but if they just got near me, are they video calling? I'm gonna hide behind these curtains now. This is gonna take a while. It's working. Okay, I did it. I'm hiding behind the curtains now. What are you doing? Oh no! She spotted us! Oh, wait, there's a telephone. Hello? What are you doing? I'm vlogging. Okay, I will. Okay, bye. I just turned off the phone. No more kamera. Tante, jadi mana? We are going to go to the pool soon in 1 hour. It's going to take a little bit while. So, okay, I'm going to be kind of exhausted. Let's hide from her again. There's a tunnel in here. Hide in here.